when you practice meditation, I know, maybe you don't want to talk about the details, but just generally, how does that experience feel? And I'm sure it has improved over time, but kaisa, feel hota hai? How does
it cleans up, it calms your mind every day.
Okay.
It actually it desilts it.
Yeah.
It declusters it, cleans up your mind. It's actually cleaning it up. It's all the traffic jam which keeps coming into your brain of thoughts.
Yeah.
When you sit and meditate, it starts cleaning it up. It called declutters. So decluttering, that means it's basically every day decluttering your mind. It declutters your mind every day to come back fresh and fresh space back for better thoughts. So I think it removes any point of negativity which may come. So it comes back for space for positivity and re-energizes and makes the brain healthy. So that's what the meditation does every morning. When you sit in silence, it declutters.
I think there's this metaphor where you have to clean a mirror, and you have to it's pure, right? It's clean, but you have to remove the dust from it, and that's what meditation is.
That's right.
You're diving into your pure
mirror.
consciousness.
It dusts the mirror, mirror of your mind.
Yeah,
it totally dusts the mirror of your mind.
Do you believe in us having scars or patterns or conditionings that we have the ability to change through meditation?
If you get into silent sitting, it's a habit forming. Okay. It settles you. It calms you down. I think the moment it calms you down, you're in control.
Yeah.
Your reactions stop. Actions begin.